My landing gear's barely gonna hit. East Coast. Is this guy riding his bike? It just seemed very little with this direction, so I doubled it. Hey guys, hopefully everybody's doing good. Meal prepping for just a couple of days. Gonna take my stuff to the truck. I got a load picking up tomorrow early morning. Out of Alta Vista, Virginia, not too far from me. And taking a load to Arizona. So it's 2,100 miles, which is pretty good. Good miles right there. And then they'll probably swing me back. But I'm home right now. I gotta do dishes, as you can tell. Been doing them slowly, but all right. So of course I ended up breaking this. It fell out of my truck when I was unpacking it. So gotta work with it, I guess. Alright, so I mostly got everything. I got the keys, got all that. I gotta pick this up, make sure I don't break it even more. Alright. Trying to think if I need anything else. Oh, you know what? I need my laundry. That too. It was supposed to rain today, but it didn't. There we go. Alright, hopefully it's not wet in here. We're good to go. The truck is, for the most part, ready for tomorrow morning. God damn it. There you go. Let's head back to the house. Just start meal prepping, I guess. Alright guys, so right now I am prepping my food for about 4 days because I have 4 pieces of thigh chicken right here. I try to get that as natural as I possibly can. Because screw Tyson chicken. I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be surprised if Tyson chicken owns this brand too. But yeah, just heating up a pan. Also gonna make some jasmine rice. Fill up those containers. And I'm just basically prepping my food out for just a couple of days on the road. I do stay about 11 days, 12 days on the road, so that'll cover for half. And then the other half I will cook. I have other chicken that I'll keep in the freezer in my truck. And I just try to eat as healthy as I can. I'm not perfect, not gonna lie. I'm human. I love food. I'm pretty sure everybody loves food on YouTube that are watching me right now. But, and there's people that have discipline. I have somewhat discipline. I do intermittent fasting though. It's really good, highly recommended if you're trying to lose weight out there on the road. Eat 1 meal a day. Obviously, don't go too crazy on your 1 meal, but you'll start seeing progress. You will lose weight, especially if you're a heavier set person. But yeah, so just meal prepping. Also, I was doing some paperwork and stuff like that. Trying to get ready for this trucking stuff. Trying to purchase my truck, purchase a new truck. And yeah, so gonna do a little bit of cooking right here, guys, and got to get up at 3 in the morning. Like I said earlier, I do have a load that's going to Arizona, so I got to get up really early and grab this load. My guy, asset manager, was recommending that I would pick up the load today on my home time, which is like 25 minutes from here and then come back to my home with the load. But I mean, that motherfucker's like 40,000 pounds, and I don't know. I don't want to put it on where I park my truck on like the gravel. I don't trust it that with that type of weight, and it's been raining a lot too. So I told my man, I'm like, I'm not really. I mean, one thing's an empty truck, but once you start adding weight, 80,000 pounds on that gravel, I don't know if I really trust it, especially if it rains. But it's gonna probably rain tonight here. It's gonna probably start soon, but yeah, I'm like, yeah, man, I'll go pick it up in the morning. I'll get up super early, so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so hopefully I didn't fuck up the rice. It just seemed very little with this direction, so I doubled it, just doubled everything. So hopefully it should yield a little bit more rice, but we'll see. Hey guys, so I made it here to Arizona. Not too far from where I'm dropping off. Casa Grande, Arizona. And I am so tired. I got up at 1 a.m. this morning, which is crazy. But it's the only way I was possibly gonna make this load. Like, I've been hustling for these past, this is the 4th day. The last 3 days I've been working out, driving 3 hours, not 3 hours, what the fuck am I talking about? I've been driving 11 hours pretty much each day, and then today is about 8 hours or so. But man, I am beat out of my mind. After they unload me here, which is probably one of those warehouses over there, I'm gonna go to this truck stop over here, and I am going straight to bed. Yeah, most likely I'm just gonna go straight to bed. I told him not to give me a load until tomorrow morning. Now, sorry guys, I've been coughing, but I still got that mucus in my throat from being sick like 2 weeks ago. So, yeah, but if they give me another load heading out of this place, then I'll maybe grab it. But yeah, I need to start heading back to the East Coast. Is this guy riding his bike? He is. He's probably getting a workout, that's for sure, on that dirt road. It's just a weird random place to be riding your bike though. Alright. Oh yeah, man. I am beat though. Beat like a dog. I'm feeling it right now. It was hustling it. Getting up at 3 o'clock. Today getting up at 1 o'clock. Which I was surprised I even got up at 1 o'clock. I get worried that I'm not gonna wake up hearing the alarm. I slept for about 6 hours or so, but it's hard going to bed at like really early, at like 5. I guess with the time change it makes it a little easier because I'm used to the East Coast, Eastern time zone. Alright, so Bluestone, Hotel Bluestone. Pretty sure it's a nice hotel right there. Looks like they repainted it though. Looks like shit though, so. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not too far outside of Phoenix, Arizona. It is 95 and it's the morning. It's probably gonna be 100. When I was in Van Horn, Texas, not too far from El Paso yesterday, that's where I stopped. The temp was showing 111. outside, so it was hot as hell. Alright, so saying a left up here. Alright. It's showing that. I haven't been to this place before. Central Arizona Distribution. Is this it? Packing engineer. I have no clue. I don't think so. I don't know. Like, Lucid's the car, though. Why would I be going in there? Maybe. Maybe it's package all? God damn it. I have no clue. It doesn't even match the name that it says on here. Alright, let me figure this out, guys. God damn, this place freaking sucks. That girl was pretty. The one that was working inside the receiving and shipping. Pretty girl. But man, she had an attitude on her. She like yelled at one guy. I was like, damn, she needs another person to help her out. There's like too many people waiting. But whatever. Typical warehouse usually. Now they said I could drop it off here, but it said wherever a spot is open. Doesn't sound very confident that there's many spots. I think I see one right there though, but I'm gonna have to back it in here. Let's see. Maybe. Yeah, I might have to just back it right up in there, because there's no way I'm gonna make a U-turn in there. No way. Let's see what we got going on here. Get right in there. I did see one opening to the left side. Let's see. I think I could see through the shadows. That's how I know. There you go. Let's see if we can get it right in that baby right there. Oh, it is open right there. I see it. I thought it wasn't for a second. There's a little opening right there. God damn. It's tight as fuck in here. My landing gear's barely gonna hit. you got this far in the video, I highly do appreciate you guys watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Also, for more content, we got news content I've been putting out here, and then I have my POV content, which is right here. So just watch whatever you guys want, and thank you so much. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day, and be safe out there, guys. Bye.